Hey YouTube, how's it doing? Just a really quick video to show you a new product. It's already on YouTube, just thought I'd talk about it because it's brilliant. It's something I got for Christmas and it's my favourite gadget at the moment. It's this this little thing. It's you might wonder what it is at first, but if you look closely, it's a mount for like a GoPro style camera or action camera, and it's called a Dango Design's gripper mount. And basically you squeeze it, this side's got like soft rubber on it, this side's just got some sort of grippy plastic teeth, soft rubber and grippy plastic teeth. Basically grips onto things, or more specifically, if I take my summer crash helmet, there we go, straight on the front, so I can stick my camera on here, which I'll show you in a minute. I can stick my camera on here and just grip it straight on the front of my crash helmet. Okay, and then halfway through the ride I can pull it off, run up to my mate, and I can stick it on his crash helmet instead, so we get a ride from or get a video from both people's perspectives. You can take it off, check your videos, check that it's actually recorded in the first place before you put it back on. It's absolutely rock solid, won't come off while you're riding. Brilliant invention, I wish I'd thought of it. So let me mount the camera back on it. I'll do a quick shot of it on each crash helmet. There's not really much more to talk about. Look at that, genius. Yeah, leave it with me. So yeah, as I was just saying, there's a camera on the gripper mount. See if I can ping that off, and then oh, good, isn't it? Hey, take it off, easy. Absolutely awesome, genius product. Wish I'd thought of it. So yeah, that's my little video for today. Excellent. Look after yourselves and see you soon.